The question today is about the application of GCD, that is the greatest common divisor. A farmer has a piece of land measuring 840 meters by 396 meters. He divides it into square plots of equal size. Find the maximum area of one plot. From the fact that you're finding the maximum area of one plot, then the first thing is to determine the dimensions of the plots. So the dimensions of the plot will also be maximum if it is to give us the maximum area. And the dimension of a plot is obtained by getting the GCD of these two lengths of the piece of land. So we'll have 840 and 396. 2 goes into 840, 420, 2 goes here, 198. Next part, 2 goes here, 210, 2 goes here, 29. The next is 3, 3 goes here, 70, 3 goes here, 33. And at this point, we do not have a common factor, and therefore we stop. So the GCD here is 2 by 2 by 3, that is 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. Now this GCD will give us the length of a plot. So length of a plot is 12, and remember it is 12 meters because the dimensions here are also given in meters, that is of the piece of land. So if this is the length of one plot, and remember they are square plots, that means the area of a plot is just the length squared, which for this case is 12 times 12, that is 12 squared, and that should give us 144 square meters. So a plot is 144 square meters. And with that, we mark the end of the solution to this problem. I want to thank you for watching. Bye.